The first exercise we are going to demonstrate involves twisting. Our organs are designed to move, and twisting helps release the tension out of the organs and release bloating. Lie down and place the roller underneath your middle back and wrap your arms behind the roller. Bring your knees up, twist your knees and hips over to the right side, and stretch your neck to the left. Hold the position for 30 seconds. Move your knees back to the center and twist over to the left. Hold this position for 30 seconds while breathing slowly and deeply. Repeat these twisting exercises 8 times on each side. The next exercise involves being inverted, which helps with the digestion and elimination process. Place the roller underneath your lower back so the hips are supported. Bring your knees up and slowly extend your legs. Gently take your legs over to the right side and, using a circular motion, activate your core and bring your legs over to the left side. Repeat 8 times and exhale while your legs move downward. Slowly bend your knees in and hug them tight. Inhale into your lower back and expand the belly while exhaling. After these exercises, take a moment to breathe deeply for a few minutes to promote a calm digestive system.